Hey guys, it is Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So today we have a lender by the name of American Express. Now, of course, we know American Express does have multiple different credit cards, but today specifically, we will be talking about the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you can earn 6% cash back at US markets on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1% after that. You can also earn 6% cash back on select US streaming subscriptions, and they also have 3% cash back at US gas stations. Now, I do recommend this credit card if you have a 680 credit score and above, and they do report to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can also earn $250 back after you spend $3,000 in purchases on your new card within the first 6 months of your card membership. You will then receive the $250 back in the form of a statement credit. They do have zero intro APR for this card. They also have a special intro buy now pay later plan as well. Now, the good thing about this card is they are giving up to $15,000 for the credit limit, and you could see an increase in your credit score within 6 months after making your payments on time. Okay, so if you are looking for a really great credit card with high limits and you have a 680 credit score, I will highly recommend this credit card. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe button.